Well, it's one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready. Now go, cat, go up and down. Step on my you can do anything.
Hello Rockabilly bass players. In this lesson I'm going to show how to play, or better how I hear, the bass part of Blue Suede Shoes by Carl Perkins. The bass player on this 1955 recording is his brother Clayton Perkins. So first let me say that it was not so easy for me to figure out what is going on bass-wise on this record, because the sounding notes are very quiet and it's hard to hear what comes from the drums, from the snare drum, or what are slaps, what are bass slaps. But I think that Clayton plays boogie lines, quarter note boogie lines, and just single slaps most of the time. And every now and then he plays triple slaps. And in the first solo he plays many triple slaps. So Blue Suede Shoes is in the key of A, and it starts with this famous intro. I play the open A string for the intro. Well, it's a one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready now, go cat go. So I play the open A twice, then again, then rest one bar and play this walk up to the D. Open, second, third, fourth. So you have the depths beside me, so I don't have to say always which fret I'm playing. Once again the intro. Well, it's a one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready now, go cat go. Here comes the D. On the four chord, the D, he plays open D, second A, open A, second A, open D again, and then this walk up on the E string from the second fret to the fourth fret. Then back to the one chord, the A. Here he plays the open A string 3 times. And then he mutes the A string with his left hand, with the fretting hand, and plays a triplet. Once again. Once again. Then bar number 10, open A 3 times, and the third fret, the G on the E string once. Once again the whole 9 and 10 bars. Then comes the 5 chord, the E. Here he plays open E, mute the open E, play, then open E again, and mute. And for the next bar the same. Open E, mute, open E, mute. Once again bar 11 and 12. And back to A, he plays open A, 4, 2, 4 with a triplet, and again open A, 4, this walk up for the next A. Once again bar number 13 and 14. Once again. Now I play the whole first verse for you slow. Well, it's a 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready now. Go back, go, or don't you step on my suede shoes. Can do anything but lay off my blue suede shoes. So verse 2. You can knock on it down, stamp on my face, pen on my name, or know the place. Do anything that you wanna do, honey, lay off of my shoe. Then comes the D part, and here he plays on bar number 23. He plays the same as in the verse 1. And on the next D, he plays open D, mute, open D, mute. So the two D bars for you. Then back to A, he plays open A string 4 times with a triplet after the fourth quarter note. And on the next bar, just the open A 4 times. Again, these two bars, number 25 and 26. You can see he plays this triplet exactly on the same place as in verse 1. It's on the end of the first A of these two bars. So then follows the E, open E, 4th fret, open E, 4th fret, open E, 4th fret, open E, 4th fret. These are bars 27 and 28. Then the A part again, or the A chord, open A, and open E once, and 4 times open A with a triplet at the end. Again, these two bars. And here the solo starts. During this solo you have a 12-bar blues, 1-4-5 progression, a regular 12-bar blues, and at the end of almost every bar he plays a triplet. I play section for you, the A section. Then to D, the 4 chord. Back to A. Open E. Again. And A. Mute. I play the whole solo for you slow. So after this solo there is another verse, then a second solo, and 2 another verses with little variations of what I've shown. During the second solo, Clayton does not play triple slaps as far as I hear. So this was my lesson on blue suede shoes. Thanks for watching and goodbye.